Have you ever planned to do an activity specifically with another club in your area? Keep watching. Hi everyone, this is Audra with Pathfinder Strong. Today I want to talk to you about widening your circle. So the odds are there's probably a Pathfinder club that's within driving distance of you. Probably closer than a day. We have several clubs in our area, some that are like 30 minutes away, some that are an hour away. And every year we specifically try to plan to do something with those other clubs so that our kids can see that Pathfinders is not just a thing we do in our local church, but it's a thing that all kids do, not only in our area, but worldwide. This year we are planning an area-wide Pathfinder basketball game. Nothing too competitive, just for fun. And we're working on our basketball honor in preparation for that game. So what we did is I just reached out to some local directors of clubs that are within reasonable driving distance to us, and I said, hey, on April 2, how would you guys like to come over for the day and play some friendly basketball with us, and we can all earn our basketball honor together. I actually had 2 clubs that took me up on the offer, and so for the past couple weeks we have been working with basketball drills and so forth to get ready to play with other Pathfinders. So I actually don't know much about basketball or sports at all, but I am lucky that we have staff members who do. So pretty much I delegated this task of preparing the kids to play basketball to another staff member completely. I'm here to be supportive and plan all the details and things, but our other staff members are the ones that are actually teaching the kids basketball. My deputy director, one of them is Mr. Steven, and he is a big-time basketball player, and so he is in charge of teaching the kids. That's him in the green shirt right there. So here's kind of what it looks like.
I failed.
Okay.
Are you hungry? I wanted to challenge you to specifically plan one thing in your Pathfinder year that you do with another club from your area. Maybe you've already done it, and if you have, I would love to know what your ideas are. Tell us what you did in the comments below, so maybe we can use your ideas too. Thanks for watching. See you next time.